Guys, a cat came into my house and literally drank my milk. Let me show you guys. She's outside. There she is. About this because this is first time happening to me.
Look at this dude.
I really don't know.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Ah, look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Sorry for the noise, guys. This is of a generator. It got what should I say, broke. So as you saw in my previous vlog, now it is making noises after it got fixed. Let's see where he or she goes. Let's see where the cat goes.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the
Look at
No, no,
Look
no,
at her eyes. One is green and the other one is blue. She's looking at me like she's gonna attack me. He or she, I don't know, sorry.
Look at the
But
top
let's
of his
call her
head.
sheep for now. I think she's a wild cat. She's gonna attack me, so I backed up. And literally where she is, it's a toilet. A toilet for like servants and more. So right now I'm gonna not gonna end this vlog right now. First I'm gonna promote my channel. Self-promotion. Subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on so you'll never miss any of my videos. Leave a like, comment if you have any questions or any ideas that I should make a vlog or video or reaction video, any kind of video on. Leave that in comments down below. And be sure to stay tuned. Peace out. I literally almost forgot about the thumbnail, so let's take a pic for the thumbnail of that cat. I hope it's still there. Yeah, it is still there. He's trying to run. I won't let it. She's wild. I got a pic, but she looks really wild and looks like if I'm gonna move an inch, she's gonna grab my face and but still, I'll try to take a photo for the thumbnail. If I can't, I will take a pic from the video. Peace. Yo guys, so today is day 2 and that cat has re-entered our house like 3 days in a row. She has entered 3 days in a row. She's a stray cat. I think she's possessed. I do not think that. I asked my mom. She told me maybe she could be possessed. So let's see. Right now he's in this room. So guys, as you can see, this door is right now shaking because of the cat. And now I put my shirt on, so now I am ready to go in. So I will tell my brother to open the door. 1, 2, 3. Guys, oh damn. One his right eye is green and his left eye is blue. I don't know. God damn. She's coming towards me. I think we should let her go because I have a little sister. She's like 2 years old. She could be harmed by this cat. So I think I will open the main door and she could exit. So guys, it's the night time and we opened the main door and now the cat is out. And guys, in my next vlog, maybe I'll show you my sister. I'll be babysitting her for 24 hours. My mom and dad are about to go out for the shopping. So here's she. So guys, until that, peace out and sorry for the bad quality. So leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification bell, comment your questions and ideas down below. Peace out. So guys, check my previous video and latest video and subscribe to my channel. And all you have to do is turn that notification bell on so you can get notified whenever I upload. And make sure to ask your questions, comment your thoughts and leave your ideas in comments down below. Peace out.